How to make Firefox headless programmatically in Selenium with Python? I am running this code with Python, Selenium, and Firefox but still get head version of Firefox. I also tried some variations of binary.
To invoke Firefox browser headlessly, you can set the headless property through options class as follows. There's another way to accomplish headless mode. If you need to disable or enable the headless mode in Firefox, without changing the code, you can set the environment variable moz_headless to whatever if you want Firefox to run headless, or don't set it at all. This is very useful when you are using, for example, continuous integration and you want to run the functional tests in the server but still be able to run the tests in normal mode in your PC. Or steps through YouTube video. Mozilla Firefox in headless mode through Selenium 3.5.2, Java. Login into Gmail account using headless Chrome through Selenium Java. Outro. How to configure Chrome driver to initiate Chrome browser in headless mode through Selenium.
The first answer doest work anymore. This worked for me.
My answer. This URL works for me.
To the op or anyone currently interested, here's the section of code that's worked for me with Firefox currently.